Hello friends, this is Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to 10 minutes of crafting. Yes, I don't know if this is going to be a thing or not, but I sometimes do this in the morning when I have, time. Well, actually, I try to make time and have a few minutes of crafting before I go to work. I'll do a little straighten up here and there of the house, and then I maybe put some dishes in the dishwasher. And I came in here. That's what I did this morning. And I have been working on these are the little papers that I got from Temu. And I showed them, in my Temu unboxing. And I said they're like scenery or scenes from everyday life. So this is a car driving down the road, and there's mountains in the background. And so what I already did was back them all. This is all of them. I backed them all with some kind of cardstock, either file folder or some white cardstock that I had. And so they're all backed with file folder. And now I am punching holes in the top and making a little topper. And I don't know, I just wanted a little simple topper like that because it's a simple tag or a journaling space. And I just, wanted something simple to stick into a pocket. I just stapled it together with a little staple right there. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to see how much I can get done in the next 8 minutes and 23 seconds is what I have left. So let's just see, sometimes if that's all you have in a day, 10 minutes to craft, then, go for it because, if that's what you might call your happy time or your happy place or whatever, you'll have that in your, what better way to start off a day? I'm trying to make sure this is right side up so I know where to punch the hole. I think it's like this. Yeah, so, I, if I craft a few minutes in the morning, I come out of my craft room thinking, wow, that was fun. Now I can get my day started, right? So, anyway, I'm punching holes, as you can see. This is my little hole punch that I picked up a little while ago, a few months ago, and I haven't used it that much, but I just want to make sure these are upright here. It's kind of hard to tell a little bit. Let's see. This is, I'm trying to figure out what is the picture. Oh, this is a Vespa. This is the dashboard from like a Vespa. So cute, cute little pictures. But yeah, I picked this up and it's a different shaped hole, a slot hole. And so I like to use that little ribbon that I showed you in something like that, that shaped ribbon, that width. So it takes up the whole slot that I'm punching. So let's see, I've got 6 minutes left. Shall we stop and put some ribbons in before my 10 minutes is up? See, it just feels like I accomplished something too. As far as craft-wise, like, oh, I got all these done, I got all these punched, or all these with ribbons in them are all done, or whatever. A little bit of progress on whatever I'm working on. So, and it really, I'm not saying I do it every day, but if I can, I will. I mean, sometimes, priorities are other things, like if I'm, need to clean something before, like my family comes over on the weekend, my boys and my granddaughter and their girlfriends or wives or whatever, and if I feel like I need to, clean a bathroom or real quick, sometimes I do that. I'll do that in the morning. Like I didn't get it done the night before, so tomorrow morning I'm going to clean my bathroom or mop the floors or whatever, get something done. But my preference would be to come in here and do some crafting. So that's what I do try to do at least a few times a week. I will come in here and not clean or whatever I actually should be doing. No, but I try to get it all done, But okay, so we're almost done punching holes. I didn't know if I should stop and put ribbons in or not. But my 10 minutes, if I do have 10 minutes tomorrow, I can get the ribbons put in if I don't get the ribbons put in today. So I'll feel good that I got all the holes punched at least. Let's see, I want to get this in the middle here. I'm having trouble with this one. Okay, so next step, the ribbons. We've got 4 minutes and 93 seconds left. So maybe I'll cut, let's see, that ribbon I cut about, that's probably about 3 inches. And then fold it around. I think that's a good length. So let's cut some ribbons. Let's see. This looks straight. So I'm not going to measure anything because that'll take too long. So I'm just going to cut some length. That's probably about 4 inches. I don't want it to be too short. So I don't know how many cards I have here. I don't remember, or I never counted them. So I'm just going to cut quite a few here. I'm going to try to cut a straight line so I don't have to keep you know, like take time to recut. That will take more of my 10 minutes, right? So how did I come up with 10 minutes? Because I looked at the clock and I said, oh, because I kind of wanted to do a video this morning, like one of my regular videos. But I was like, oh, now I don't have time to do a video, but I have 10 minutes, so I'll just go craft for 10 minutes. And I thought, well, what can I do in 10 minutes? Maybe I'll go ahead and do a video and call it 10-minute crafting. So that's where we are. Okay, let's put some of these in because I don't know if I'll have time. Plus, like I said, I don't know how many I have here. So, yeah, these just fit in here. These little ribbons like this wide. What is that, 1/2 inch? Something like that. They just kind of fit in here in that little slot. And what I will do is put my Amazon affiliate Amazon link to that slot punch. That's where I got it on Amazon in the description box. And of course that helps me if you click on that. Even if you don't buy that item, it will help me on my Amazon associate program or affiliate program. Okay, and then I just did that and it's done. I think it's cute. I don't even think it needs to be inked or anything. I just think it's cute, just like that. To slip in a pocket. I mean, I would like to find that in a pocket if I bought a journal. I think it would be cute. And I would like to write on the back of it. So, and it's nice and flat. So it won't add any or hardly any bulk. Really not any to speak of. So, yeah, 10 minutes of crafting. It doesn't have to be in the morning. It can be at night or anytime. You know, everybody has different schedules and different, you know, times that they're home. Maybe you're home all day. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom, but you're, you know, you have young children, and maybe you have 10 minutes when they go to sleep. Maybe you want to take 10 minutes when they go take a nap, if they take a nap, and things like that. So, you know, the idea is to work 10 minutes somewhere in your day and have a little fun for yourself, right? I think so. So it can be great for your whole kind of, you know, how you're feeling. Like it can just, you know, say you've been chasing your toddler. I mean, I have two kids. They're grown now, but I know how it is. I know how it was, chasing your toddlers around all day. And maybe that would be relaxing for you. Sit down and craft for 10 minutes. Or you can craft for longer than that, of course. I'm just saying if you only have 10 minutes, or if you feel like you don't have any time, spend 10 minutes, you know. See how that changes your whole mindset and attitude. Like, oh, I got to have some time for myself, actually, you know. Sometimes you just have to choose it and do it, you know, because you get wrapped up in your day, and then the whole day is gone and you haven't done any crafting. So, all right, we've got 36 seconds here. I think we've got time for this last one, and that will be it. And I have to go get ready for work. So that was my 10 minutes. I don't know if I'll have time later today. I hope so. But if I don't, at least I had this 10 minutes, right? And I got all of these done. 18 seconds. Let me show you what we got done. All of this. I'm not going to count them because I probably don't have time. What, about 8 there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. All of these are done. And aren't they cute? And with all their little toppers. I think they're adorable. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See, that's my 10 minutes. That's my alarm. and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.